Hi students, welcome to this e-learning lesson which serves as a preparation for our in-class lesson tomorrow. This lesson should take you between 15 and 20 minutes to complete. Today's topic is comparing lifestyles. Specifically, we'll be comparing life in the city and life in the country. The two learning objectives for today are as follows. Identify 3 good and 3 bad aspects of urban and rural lifestyles, and write a comparison of urban and rural lifestyles. For this e-learning lesson, you'll need 2 items, a notepad for taking notes, and a pen or pencil. You may wish to use a pencil as it comes in handy if you decide to make corrections to your writing as we go along. Now let's look at these pictures. On the top, you can see an exciting scene in the city. Think about all the things that make life in the city great. On the bottom, you can see a peaceful country scene. Think about why many people prefer living in the countryside. Even though you probably prefer one or the other, try to think of positive aspects for both. When you are ready, take some notes and include at least 3 examples of positive and aspects of both. Pause this video now and resume once you have finished note-taking. I'm sure you have some awesome examples. Here are a few I thought of. Keep in mind you probably have some different ones, and that's okay. For city life, I included 3 positive aspects. City life is exciting because there are lots of things to do. Cities offer more jobs, and living in the city gives you a chance to meet lots of people. As for positive aspects of the country, the air and the water in the country is cleaner, life in the country is cheaper, and the people are usually friendly in the country. Did you have any of these same examples? Not everything about life in the country and the city is great. Look at the pictures and consider what things make life in the country and the city hard. List at least 3 examples of each. Pause this video and resume once you have finished note-taking. Here are the examples I thought of. For country life, there are few jobs in the country. People are often not very open to new ideas, and it can be boring because there are fewer things to do. As for life in the city is stressful. City life is expensive, and people are not very friendly in the city. Did you think of these same examples? What different ones did you have? The English language offers many ways to compare. I've included some examples here in this slide. Pause the video and read each of the sentences. Pay attention to the underlined components. How are these words used to compare life in the country and life in the city? Once you have finished, resume the video. In English, we can use the following to compare. As, more than, less than, and er on the end of adjectives. As can be used to compare any words. More and less than are only used with long words. Er is attached to an adjective and is only used with short words. If you're a little confused, don't worry. We'll cover this in detail in tomorrow's lesson. Now it's time for your assignment. You will be writing a short paragraph comparing life in the city and life in the country. Feel free to use the examples you thought of in this e-learning lesson. You can also feel free to try using the grammar for comparisons we discussed. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. We'll be going over it in class, and you'll have a chance to rewrite later. Right now, we're just practicing. Thanks for watching. I look forward to reading your comparisons and see you in class tomorrow.